While I don't do direct patient counseling anymore, I'm an executive director at Amgen, and I work in a group called Regulatory Promotion. It's my group that's responsible to help ensure that all of our product communication materials are compliant with FDA regulations. I kind of fell into my current area. As a pharmacist, we're prepared to do a number of different career roles. When I first got my pharmacy degree, I chose to work as a hospital pharmacist for a number of years. I decided to do a fellowship, and I did the Industrial Clinical Pharmacy Fellowship affiliated with Rutgers University. So I worked in medical affairs, I worked in drug information, and I worked in regulatory. And what I really gravitated toward and just really liked, regulatory promotion. And that seemed to be my natural fit because it mixed my clinical background that I had gained as a PharmD with also advertising. I then went to FDA and I worked in the group that is now called the Office of Prescription Drug Promotion. I worked at FDA for a number of years, and then I joined Amgen in essentially the same role. I'm not sure that there is a typical day. It's my group that's responsible to help ensure that all of our product communication materials are compliant with FDA regulations. We read new guidances that come out of FDA, and we provide comments back to FDA. So in my role, we keep up with the changing environment. For example, the regs were written long ago, but FDA's interpretations of the regulations may change. For example, when the promotion regulations were written, we didn't even have such things as cell phones. We didn't have mobile. We didn't have the internet. I work with teams of people that also work with industry organizations to discuss these things with Congress. So everything you learn, every experience that you gain, all of these are just building blocks to your career. You never know when you're going to use that information and apply it to your current role. You know, there are different ways to reach your goal. So I encourage you to take the time and do the soul searching to figure out what you want to do.